Do you know that there are certain drinks which can be a part of your morning and nighttime routine to get rid of neuropathy symptoms naturally? Yes, this is not magic. Rather, this has been proven by science and clinical research. That's why in this video, I will share with you the 3 best drinks that you can have to help ensure nerve repair. Stay with me until the end because the last drink, it can help you sleep better because mind you, neuropathy symptoms tends to get worse at night or early in the morning, disrupting your sleep. One of the best and the most efficient way to get rid of neuropathy symptoms is through your nutrition because mind you, the wrong food and drink choices, you are more likely guaranteed worsening of your symptoms. However, there are certain drinks that can help ensure nerve repair because they are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and it can give you anti-inflammatory benefits. Before we get into it, you need to know first the drinks that you need to limit and the drinks that you need to avoid. Energy drinks. Do you know that when we talk about energy drinks, we are talking about caffeine and liquid sugar combined? Because an average can of energy drink, it already contains on average about 7 teaspoons of sugar. And do your own research. You will be amazed because some brands already contains 14 to 15 teaspoons of sugar. Regular consumption of energy drinks is not good for your health. It can give you blood sugar spikes. At the same time, it can cause heart palpitations. Soft drinks. A 12 ounce of soda already contains on average 10 teaspoons of sugar. This is a leading cause of diabetes and can actually cause many chronic conditions and can guarantee worsening nerve pain. Alcohol. You need to avoid this if you're currently suffering with numbness and pins and needle sensation because these had been validated by many clinical studies that regular consumption of alcohol, it can actually damage your nerves because it can affect your body's ability to absorb B vitamins which are supposedly needed for healthy nerves. This is also the reason why we have what we call as alcohol-induced neuropathy. Flavored coffee and fruit juice. You think this is healthy and you think it really tastes good. But try to look closely because this has hidden sugar. Now here are the drinks that can help you. Make this a part of your morning routine. Lemon water. Simply drinking lukewarm water with slices of lemon, it can help actually with nerve repair because certain studies have also found that sufficient amount of vitamin C in the body can actually lessen nerve damage by as much as 40%. This way, we prevent worsening of your symptoms. If you make this a part of your daily habit, this can also give you 2 important health benefits. This can naturally boost your immune system, which is very much important, especially for those who have been diagnosed with diabetes, who are considered to be immunocompromised. The citric acid found in citrus fruits can also help with metabolism because it can improve your peristalsis. So if you had been feeling constipated lately, look into this. This is a natural way to boost your digestive process. Turmeric tea. Now you can have this any time of the day. You can have it hot or you can have it cold. The active compound found in turmeric known as curcumin, it is actually likened into ibuprofen. It can help relieve your pain naturally. You can look for brands which are not too sweet, or if you want, you can boil for yourself fresh turmeric roots. Now make this a part of your nighttime routine because these can help you sleep better. Chamomile tea. Chamomile contains a natural compound known as epigenin which had been proven to help relax your central nervous system, which can help you sleep better naturally. The compounds found in chamomile tea also acts as a COX-2 inhibitor, meaning it blocks off pain signals from your brain. That's why these can be helpful for those suffering with neuropathy symptoms. Chamomile tea have also been validated in many trials to lower cortisol, your body's stress hormone. That's why you can sleep better. These drinks that you have learned today, it is not a miracle cure. Rather, it is a very good complement together with your medicine and your exercises to get rid of neuropathy symptoms naturally. If you want to know about the 5 foods that can help you with nerve repair, as well as the 5 foods that you need to avoid because it can worsen neuropathy symptoms, we have a video here. I will put the link down below. Check on it because it will greatly help you. Your food and drink choices can actually dictate worsening or recovery from your symptoms. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment where you are watching from because I would really love to know. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on our next video. Health is wealth, and I wish you well. God bless you.